Today I'm making a salted egg yolk squid, a crispy calamari tossed in a deliciously creamy, spicy and buttery salted egg yolk sauce. This is one of my favorite dishes of all time. It's so easy to whip up too, so let's go! Okay, first things first, let me show you how to cook the salted egg yolks first. These are salted duck eggs and it typically comes in packs of 4 like this. It looks horrific, not gonna lie, but this black stuff is actually charcoal. We're going to wash all of that charcoal off, peel off the charcoal as much as possible and then rinse the egg under water. Just like this. Done. Now we're cracking the eggs, just keeping the egg yolks. You're not going to be using the egg whites at all. The egg yolks should be this bright orange color. This is a good yolk. I'm going to steam the egg yolks. This would be the safest way to cook the yolks. The lazy way would be to microwave the egg yolks on high for a minute, but warning, your yolks will explode, so make sure you're using a covered container if you decide to microwave your egg yolks. Anyway, steam the egg yolks for about 5 minutes or until the yolks turn a yellow mellow color, just like this, and you're done. Mash the yolks with a fork as finely as possible and then keep it to one side. Okay, squid time. For 4 egg yolks, I'm using 3 of this small squid, about 200 to 250 grams of squid in total. Slice the squids up like this. Calamari, you get it. Season the squid with some sprinkles of salt and pepper, about 1 teaspoon each, and then throw in 1 egg. Not salted egg yolks, just regular egg. Toss all of that through and then we're adding a corn flour. I used about 4 tablespoons of corn flour, but you just need enough to create a batter just like this. We're keeping this really simple, so with the same corn flour, we're going to be coating the squid with the flour. Easy and minimal ingredients. And then let's deep fry the flour coated squid. Poke a wooden chopstick into the oil. If the bubbles come up, then it's ready to use. The squid will cook really quickly, so you can keep it on high heat so you get a nice crispy batter. My calamari cooked in about 3 minutes. Take it off the heat and keep it to one side. Okay, let's now prepare the salted egg yolk sauce. You're going to need some chopped garlic, some Thai bird's eye chilies, and also you're going to need some curry leaves. Now the curry leaves are what make this dish uniquely Singaporean, but if you don't have access to curry leaves then it's fine. I have to admit that it will make a difference though. You're also going to need about half a cup of evaporated milk. You can also use heavy cream or just regular milk will do if you really don't have any of those ingredients. Okay, let's cook. In a pan, we're melting some butter with some oil. Keep a low heat throughout this sauce making process. Once the butter melts, add the garlic, the Thai bird's eye chilies, and also the curry leaves. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing at this point, and once it does, go on and add in the mashed egg yolks from earlier. Stir that in and continue to mash the egg yolks with all of that awesome flavors. It's going to get all fun and foamy, just like this. You want this. Next, add in the milk and stir that in with the egg yolks. Time to flavor the sauce. I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar. You can taste the sauce and it should be delicious. I didn't need any more salt, but feel free to add more salt or more sugar if it needs it. If it tastes good, then guess what? Your sauce is done. Turn off the heat and then toss in the calamari. Coat the squid evenly and guess what? You are done. I know that looked like a few steps, but it's really easy to make. If you're not a squid person, you can also use this sauce on fried popcorn chicken or fried prawns. This is amazing on basically anything fried. I also love pasta tossed in the salted egg yolk sauce. So yeah, just try this. Bye!